chances are you can see outside your window clouds. But what are clouds made of? Well, cotton candy, of course. Not really.
Clouds are made up of droplets of water and ice. You see, when water evaporates into the atmosphere, changes in pressure and temperature allow clouds to form.
Do you want to know a secret? Clouds are not water vapor. What? They're not. That is a common misconception. Clouds are an excellent example of liquid water. See, clouds are made up of a ton, more than you can even count, tiny little droplets of water. There are so many little droplets of water that we can actually see clouds. If a cloud was made up of water vapor, we wouldn't be able to see anything. But guess what? I can make a cloud right here, right now. We just gotta go back to my lab.
Cool, right? So, to make a cloud, I'm going to use a cloud in a bottle. This is my cloud in a bottle. We know that clouds need water to form, right? But water takes a long time to evaporate. So we are going to use alcohol instead. This is just rubbing alcohol. Alcohol evaporates faster than water, so it'll take us a lot less time to make a really cool cloud. Now, by increasing the pressure inside my bottle, I am also increasing the temperature. I want to get as much pressure inside my bottle as possible. We're getting there. And as the pressure increases, the temperature increases. Okay, I think we are good. Now, we are going to decrease the pressure. We're going to release some of that pressure. Ready? Pretty cool, right? So by decreasing the pressure, we are also decreasing the temperature. Cooler air cannot hold as much water, or in our case, alcohol. So these alcohol droplets begin to form, creating a cloud. Pretty cool, right? Let's jump back over.
Now, humans produce clouds every day. We have these things called contrails that are created by airplanes. You see, the exhaust of airplanes heats up and changes the temperature of the air around it, which forms these streaking clouds across the sky. But what do these contrails, these clouds, have to do with our climate? What impact do these have? Well, for a while we didn't know. It wasn't until after the September 11 attacks that scientists were able to get a pretty good idea. See, after the attacks, all commercial air traffic was grounded over the US for 4 days. In that time, scientists were able to study the temperature of the Earth, and they compared the temperatures from before, during, and after this hiatus. Scientists found that these contrails, these man-made clouds from airplanes, was actually helping to warm the planet. But what about now?
On March 13th, 2020, there were over 102,000 commercial flights in the sky. 1 month later, on April 13th, there were less than 26,000. That's a large drop in the number of flights. I wonder how slowing air traffic due to the coronavirus is impacting our Earth, impacting our climate. And we're probably not going to know for a long time. That data is not there yet. But we can look at previous data, previous studies to form our hypothesis, our guess.
What do you guys think? Reach out to us on social media using @MOSHJacks. And if you like what you see here, feel free to drop us a donation. Every little bit helps. Can't wait to hear from you guys.